All right, let's see if we can do this with one hand. Cooling. Air handler, upflow. Filter slot. 2-ton. I don't know if this is gonna make a short video, but we'll do what we can do. Going up there, 0.3. So we're checking static, and the true flow grid is gonna take that static measurement, compensate for the grid. Well, Chris Hughes explains that a lot better. All right, throw that in the slot. And I got her in test mode right now. It's an 824 train thermostat, so look at that. Nailed that speed tap on that TEM6. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.